Hello little buddies, so today's craft will be a very cute home decor. So the first step is to cut a circle. Make sure that you are not hurting yourself by using scissor. Now the next step is to collect many super clays as possible. Now mix black and brown together and turn it into dark brown shade. Now apply glue on the circle and stick this dark brown super clay. We all know that working with super clays are really satisfying and fun. But do you also know that it helps developing cognitive skills in children? If not, you should. Okay, coming towards this craft, here I am making stems using green clay. Then make many leaves using clay. Let's make one of the most easiest and beautiful flower out of clay. First of all, you have to make equal size of balls. Then stick 5 balls together in a row. Now bend all the balls and that's it. Your clay flower is ready. For extra detail, add different shade of clay in the middle. So by using same method, I have made 3 flowers. Now moving towards the bird, I will use my hands to give body shape of a bird. Make sure that you are not pressing it much or else the body will get flattened. And who wants a flattened bird? We all love chubby chicks, right? And for adding details like wings, crest or leg, I will use scissor and cutter. Add little beak to your bird which will make it super cute. And for eyes, make 2 equal size of tiny balls. Of course, those balls are made out of clay. Now add all the elements which we have made from clay to the circle. Your cute home decor is ready, which will add extra charm to your house.